Welcome to this wonderful wavy curly workout Wednesday. Hey there guys, I'm so glad that you are here today. Today I am answering a question that I've been asked so many times. Honestly, I'm not sure why I haven't shown my routine doing this before. Maybe because it's like a little bit simple, but it does work for me. It is effective. And if you are somebody who spends the time to care for and nurture your waves and curls, to wash them, style them, plop them, diffuse them, it's kind of a lot of work, and you don't want all that work to be wasted when you go work out and sweat like crazy. This is what I do to preserve a wash day through a super sweaty workout. So without further ado, let me show you exactly what I do. Hello there. Hi. Welcome to my bathroom. I am dressed to go work out, and this is what my hair is looking like today. It's big, it's beachy, it's loose. It's all the things. I'm actually really liking my hair today. This is a completely different look than like the really defined curl enhanced look, but I'm feeling it. And I would like to preserve this hair and possibly, potentially wear it down later today. So this is how I protect my hair when I'm gonna work out. I use the Invisibubble. This is the Invisibubble Power. They work better than the regular ones because I have very heavy hair. And the last thing I want is for my hair to come loose and fall down and touch me while I'm all sweaty and working out and suffering. So I'm going to flip my head over and gently pull everything on top of my head. I will pineapple my hair, very similar to how I do it when I go to bed at night, but there's one extra wrap in there. So there you go. This is how I put my hair up to go work out, and I will see you in a minute. Whew. Okay, just finished that class. I didn't sweat. Yeah, I sweated a lot. I was gonna say I didn't sweat a bunch, but I did. I am tired. So part of the trick to working out with wavy curly hair is to take your hair down immediately upon finishing the workout. And I like making use of my car air vents. I shoot them at the nape of my neck so that I can go ahead and get that sweat to dry as quickly as possible. You really don't want your hair drying while it's been pulled back. We're minimizing time pulled back in a pineapple. Okay. All right, here we are back home to check in on this hair. You can see that my roots don't look too bad, even though I sweated a lot. Something I wanted to mention in the car but forgot because I was tired right after that bike class. If you are working out from home and you're not jumping into your car right after a sweaty workout, you can totally run into your bathroom and diffuse your roots, like hover diffuse them. I personally like cool when I do that because I'm hot and sweaty. So there you go. Also, today I don't need this, but I do want to mention it just in case you find yourself in a very sweaty situation. If you are finding that your roots have dried, but they're like not okay, they're a little bit greasy, they're a little bit gross, you can feel your scalp and you're just like, ugh. You can get a spray bottle. I like this one because it's a like very nice mist. It's very fine. And I put water in it and a drop or two of lavender oil. The lavender oil seems to keep the water fresher for longer. It also helps my stinky, sweaty scalp. What I do is I will spray my roots and kind of section my hair and spray and section and spray, especially the places that feel really, really sweaty. Just the same amount of spray water as I sweated. I don't want to put too much water in my hair because then that takes longer to dry than necessary, but using about the same amount of water rinses that sweat right off your roots and your scalp. You can kind of massage it into your hair, pretending like your lavender water is shampoo, and then you could either air dry or you could hover diffuse to get your hair finished drying. The only reason I'm not doing the spray bottle today is because everything looks and feels pretty good. Not too greasy just yet. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I sure hope it helped you out. If you did find it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it. It does help me out. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.